Hi everyone! Today we're making a delicious, quick and easy cold strawberry cheesecake, the perfect cake for hot days. The list of ingredients can always be found in the description below the video. And to the new viewers, please consider subscribing to my channel. We start by whipping the cream. I have 200 milliliters of 30% cream and I'm going to whip it until stiff. Next, I'll add 1 kilogram of cottage cheese from a bucket, spoonful by spoonful. We'll continue mixing until all the ingredients are combined. Then we'll pour in 2 strawberry jellies. I've dissolved the jellies in 250 milliliters of hot water each, and when they cool down, I add them to the cheese mixture. Remember, the jelly shouldn't be warm, but it shouldn't be too thick either. It needs to be liquid and cooled down when we add it to the mixture. We'll mix everything until the ingredients are combined. Our mixture is now ready. This is how it looks after mixing. Line a 26 by 26 centimeters baking tray with baking paper, then add the sponge cakes. I've chosen the oblong ones. If you like, you can soak them in a little bit of strawberry gelatin. With water and the addition of lemon juice or milk, pour in the cheese mixture, which is quite thick. So we don't have to worry that these sponge cakes will rise to the top, and I put the dough to cool in the fridge. And when it is slightly set, I put in cut into smaller pieces of strawberries. They can be fresh, they can also be frozen. Then pour out 2 crystal jellies, which I mixed in 750 milliliters in a row. Cooled, preferably solidifying, then pour over the strawberries and put back in the fridge to cool. Nothing simpler. Be sure to prepare the list of ingredients in the description under the video. You can also find a detailed description on the blog, and I always give the link under the video. Thank you. Greetings.